I don't know who needs to hear this, but in 2025, try to master a new skill. Today I'm showing you guys how to do knotless braids, so grab your tools and let's dive in. What's up good people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for this tutorial you want to watch the video and listen to the voiceover carefully to the end for you to grasp the trick. First things first, you want to start with clean, detangled and stretched hair. This will make your braiding process so much smoother. Now part your hair into sections. Make sure to apply some braiding gel to the roots to keep things neat and sleek. To begin braiding, take your first section of hair, divide into 3 parts and start braiding without adding any extensions just yet. For the braids, I'm using pre-stretched braiding hair. You can use whichever brand that you like. For me, I like using Avis or Darling Kenya. So after the first couple of stitches, you'll begin feeding in small pieces of the braiding hair. Gradually feed them in as you braid. This is what gives knotless braids their smooth and natural look. As you braid, make sure to keep everything tight and secure, but don't pull too hard. The goal is to keep the braids comfortable and protective without causing any tension or breakage. Repeat this process for each section. Once you're done with braiding, I like to dip the ends in hot water to seal them. This helps reduce frizz and keeps your braids looking fresh for longer. Just be careful with that hot water. Remember, safety first. Once the water has dried, style the braids to your desire. Now for the edges, you can swoop them however you like. It's a different case with my customer. She hates laying her edges, but as you can all see, she's still gorgeous, right? And there you have it, beautiful, lightweight and tension-free knotless braids. If you loved this tutorial, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there's anything else you'd like to see in my future videos. Thanks for watching and remember, gorgeous, you can rock any style you put your mind to.